Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications for the Spark Driver app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make sure that you receive notifications from when there's trips around you. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to the Spark Driver app. Next, click on the More button on the bottom right-hand corner. Then, click on Settings, and then click on Notification Settings. Now, it's going to redirect you, if you're on an iOS, to this page right over here. Click on Notifications, and then make sure that the button or toggle button for allow notifications is on. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on notifications for the Spark Driver app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.